Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Okay, welcome to this series of videos in which we show you how we do the comparative analysis or year-to-year performance of our YouTube channel using Excel functionalities. We are drawing the draft, we are drawing the graph and on the basis of the data which has been downloaded from the YouTube. And as you know, on daily basis, the data is downloaded and it is updated into our table data, right? And as soon as we click into the report, so it gives you these options, right? And when we choose, say, for example, 4, so 4 is for our earning, right? Estimated earning, right? So it is the beginning of the year, so the January, and the February was better, much better in terms of dollar earning as compared to January. As you can see, yeah, this is the January, this is February, and it is rising, right? The trend is rising, and we want to see that it should continue upward, right? The March is not yet complete. It is just beginning of March, so just 6 days, right? So as soon as the March completes, we want this to go up, okay? So for this, we have to of course, we have to concentrate on the quality of videos and the preferences of our viewers and so many things which improves your earning as well. Your views are increasing. When your views go up, the estimated revenue goes up, right? There are different facets, different factors which are associated with it. Means your tagging, your content, your means appealing. How does it appeal to the audience, right? So today's topic is we are concentrating how we compare our and calculate our estimated earning trend, right? So for this, we have used a formula in here, and say you see in the J, the first, from K and L, these two columns are used. First column is actually it is starting from the bottom to up, right? Because our sorting order is reverse, right? So we started our journey or monetization took place in the end of March. As you can see, this is the March of 2024, right? 2024 was the starting. So we started from here. So first dollar came, and, we got the first dollar here, right? This is the dollar amount, estimated image, yeah. And dollar amount is, as soon as the first dollar reaches, it puts a 1 in here, and the balance of the amount is given here until it reaches to the second dollar, right? So if you see, this is the second dollar, yeah. It starts from here, right? This was the first dollar. Okay, if we start from here until the second dollar, this is the second dollar, yeah. So this was the second dollar, the 1.25. So 1.25, and you can see that the difference is offset, right? Anything greater than $1 is put in here, right? Yeah, the 13. This was actually the additional amount than $1. So wherever you get a one in here, so we are putting the balance of the dollar, which is remaining, right? So because this is the journey of the second dollar, then the next dollar, okay? So the quicker one comes in this row is the faster the earning of the, okay? So this is the very good. In 2 days time, 2 or 3 days time, you achieved the $1, right? You can see, yeah. If you see here, this is the in just yeah, and for, yeah, you can see here, yeah, this, yeah. In just 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 days, you cross the $1, right? So, so this is the mechanism which we have used. We have used this formula. Let's analyze this formula. What does this formula do, right? It is consistent, right? So first thing is that if it is no monetization period, then it will put a 0. That's what it is doing, right? As soon as there is a monetization and it reaches, so it's check. If it is less than $1, then it does it means addition. It does an addition clipping. Okay, so as soon as it reaches Otherwise, what it does that as soon as it reaches to the $1, then it take the difference of how much cents is it up from the $1. This is the $1, right? So as soon as when you see a 1 in here, so you will find the remaining amount, and this will increase. This will go up until the next dollar, right? And as soon as this is, then I'm sorry, I was showing. I was seeing the wrong. It was taking. Yeah. These 40 is the offset of this 55 cents. Out of 55 cents, it has taken 40 cents for the next dollar, right? And the remaining is making the your dollar, completing your dollar, right? You see? So this is how it is using it. And the next thing we are going to do that we will develop the system macro VBA that will focus on the $1 as soon as $1. So it will get you the days you took to reach $1. So that is going days per means days per dollar rate will be written down, and then we will plot a graph, such a graph as you have seen in here. So in the four is the earning. Here you will find two graphs. In the next video, we will show you that will show you the performance. Means dollar to dollar days, means how many days it took $1 earning. Okay, later on when the channel grows, then you can say, okay, $100 or $1,000, whatever. So you can set the limit, that what limit do you want to check. So how it and how long it took for you to cover $100, for example, right? For the moment, since our earning is at the start and we have only $1, $2 per month rate, so we will figure out on the basis of $1. Later on, we can use it as a criteria, a different criteria, not $1, say, if it is purposeful to see the $10, for example, in the beginning, right? Later on, we can keep on increasing, and this will let us judge and monitor the performance of earning. In terms of earning, we can gauge our performance, and the same thing can be done for the views and watch time as well. For example, if you consider for the views, for example, right? We go to one. So two graphs will be, one is this graph, right? This is giving you the total reviews for the month, and next we can use the how long it took thousands views to get the rate of the first 1,000 views, second 1,000 views. You are now say 40,000 views or 50,000 views. So when was that period when you had the rapid increase in the views? So this can be done with the same program. So we will use one system. We will develop one system. What I'm trying to introduce to my viewers is that you can write one code algorithm which could cover all these four things. As current, the system is working for all this. One program is all you need to do is just tell what is your intention to see. So you want to see views, then one. You want to see the watch time. Okay, so watch time is this. So in the watch time also you can enhance your code so that in the first you say 100 hours. How long it took for you to 100 hours or 500 hours, for example. We have already reached to we have crossed the 6,000 probably 6,000 hours. So the 500 hours can be used as a character yardstick, so that we know that when was the time when in our history of all these stable data, right? When we had the fastest growth in terms of watch time. No? So this we will use the same mechanism. Here we are using a dollar at the moment. Later on the basis of your selection, if you say dollar, then it will start gauging the dollar's performance, right? And putting one on every $1, right? If you say that not we want to see on views, then it will change as per the views when were the 1,000 views. Okay, how long it took. So as soon as 1,000 views are achieved, it will put one in here, right? And then on the basis of this information, it will plot the graph. So you don't need anything more than these two columns. It will cover all your means algorithm, and means the common algorithm will handle using only these two columns, and it will add additional graph. You have at the moment 4 graph, so it will be having 8 graph now, since you will be using the 2 graph per category. For example, if you say plus this one, then views, so you will have 2 graph in here, one showing you the cumulative analysis for view, the other will be showing you the rate of 1,000 views performed in the number of days. Okay, so this would help you understand that how long it takes nowadays for you to reach 1,000 views. So I look forward to your joining us in our upcoming videos, in which we will collectively we will show you from how to make such an enhancement in our code. Thank you very much for watching.